ihinda rĩa mĩeri 2.5 thirikari ĩkoretwo ĩkĩheana bataraitha ya thogora wa ciringi 3,500 nĩguo kũhũthĩria mũrĩmi thogora wa ũrĩmi. Kũmwaũra thogora wa bataraitha ya ciringi 6,000 kinyagia 7,000 matuka-inĩ nĩguo mũrĩmi ahote kũrĩma na njĩra nene kũhũnia bũrũri.
One thing you need to appreciate is the planting cycles, and that's what we've worked with. So we started with a bit of Nyanza, South Rift, North Rift, and Western province, who started planting from mid-January. They're still ongoing, and we've added, I think we added like 5 more counties just 2 weeks back in March, as you know, in the beginning of March.
Na kuona arĩmi nĩ meyandĩkithĩtie nĩguo maheo bataraitha ĩyo, rĩu makiri ma arĩmi kaunti-inĩ 10 cia gĩtarũ kĩa Mount Kenya maranjĩrĩria kwamũkĩra bataraitha ĩyo kiumia tũthiĩte.
We're now going into Central Province. Actually, tomorrow we'll be mapping out Central Province and Eastern Province, so that you know, the counties in those regions, to be able to analyze the data and know how much fertilizer we need to take to each specific region based on the acreage the farmers have registered in those regions. We are targeting to be in Central Province and Eastern from mid of this month. So from next week, actually Monday, we start now placing the fertilizer in NCPB stores. We will also be discussing with counties where there are limited NCPB stores to give us some allocation space where we can be able to store the fertilizer nearer to the farmers.
Na mũgarũ na ũrĩa arĩmi aingĩ metĩkĩtie atĩ bataraitha ya DAP nĩyo njega, thirikari yugĩte bataraitha ĩyo nĩyongagĩrĩra ũrũrũ tĩri-inĩ na nĩkĩo ĩrahe arĩmi bataraitha ya NPK.
DAP has been known to increase soil acidity, and hence for the farmers who use DAP, they actually have to add lime, which is also another cost to be able to ensure that the DAP performs optimally. We did not feel the need to do that as government, because that is like having, if you have a bag of DAP, then you need a bag of lime, and that's an extra cost. So we felt that we need to go for the right fertilizer and encourage farmers to know that this is the right fertilizer for their soils. It doesn't stop someone from using DAP. So we've also planned top dressing, which we'll start distributing maybe towards the beginning of April.
Makĩria ma arĩmi milioni 5 nĩo meyandĩkithĩtie kwamũkĩra bataraitha ĩno ya thirikari ya thogora wa thĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.